You're going to be so happy that you tried this smoked flank steak recipe. It's one of my favorite ways to make steak on the Traeger grill. So it all starts with making this really delicious marinade that you're just gonna put in a bunch of flavorful, tasty ingredients. All right, so you're going to use olive oil, soy sauce, red wine vinegar, fresh lime that you squeeze, some brown sugar, Dijon mustard, garlic, and ginger, a little black pepper, and something spicy if you like a little bit of heat. So I recommend chipotle powder, or you could use something like red pepper flakes. And last but not least, after all that tasty flavor goes in there, you just want to throw in some fresh herbs. I like to use cilantro. You could print out all of this at Sip Bite Go. You can get the whole marinade shabil that I use. So then you want to put your flank steak directly in. I'm using 3 large, beautiful pieces of flank steak, about a pound each. You just want to make sure that they're totally submerged in the liquid before you pop this in the refrigerator. Now, if you have the time, make this marinade the morning of, or at least 20 to 30 minutes before smoking. Then you can plop the flank steak on the smoker, sorry guys, and smoke it up. I was noticing these mashed potatoes that we made during this particular cook. You also have to get my recipe for mashed potatoes. The best thing about smoking flank steak and mashed potatoes together is that you could do it at the same temperature of 225 degrees Fahrenheit. The flank steak takes about an hour and a half. The mashed potatoes are ready in an hour, but you could smoke them a bit longer and they'll get more of a smoky flavor. So this is one of my favorite recipe pairings to make a whole dinner on the smoker. Another fun thing to do with making smoked flank steak is to slice it up thin or dice it up and then make tacos. That's always a good leftover or day of options. Well, until next time, I hope you have a wonderful and delicious day. Cheers!